Hi guys. Okay, I'm not wearing any makeup because my face needs a break. But today we are going to be unboxing the Target beauty box for the month of July. Now it came in this kind of box this month. I'm not sure why, but I have my knife here. Let's just cut this bad boy open. This is what it comes in. It came wrapped in plastic. I did take the plastic off while I was talking. This is what it looks like. It says it's got the little Target symbol and says beauty. It's a really pretty blue box. Let's open this bad boy up. Now you open it up and it looks like this, and this says Gym Bag Beauty, Hot Yoga at 6 a.m. Ooh, whatever's in here smells really good. Gym Bag Beauty, Hot Yoga at 6 a.m., Hot Date at 6 p.m., back-to-back meetings in between. We've all been there. That's why we keep our fave beauty essentials stashed in our gym bags at all times. Whether you're a yoga, CrossFit cutie, or Stepmaster queen, these power products are sure to keep you looking good and feeling fresh all day long. Try them out and love them as much as we do. Find the full-size version at target.com/beautybox. And then on the other side, it's got everything that's inside, and then a $3 off a $15 or more cosmetic, skincare, hair care purchase. Okay, so we have some plain wrapping, like tissue paper this time, so let's pull that back, and this is what we're looking at. I'm just gonna pull out one thing, and this is by Simple. It says new, squeeze me to the last drop. I'm made out of 62% less plastic versus our other 50 milliliter packets. Sensitive skin experts, kind of skin, micellar cleansing water. Okay. I've never seen cleansing water in anything like this, but I'm definitely excited. I think that's kind of cute. It says, hi there, live, laugh, love while doing so. Keep your skin happy wherever you are. Whether you go, squeezable until the last drop. Simply Mini Micellar Cleansing Water comes in ultra flexible packaging. Made with 62% less plastic and fits right into your handbag. Carefully crafted with multivitamins and a triple purified water, it gently cleanses, removes makeup, and intensely hydrates skin. I might take this on my vacation with me because that is like the perfect sample size. And that is super cute. Let's see, we don't have prices on here. Okay, so let's just pull up the next, which is another thing by Simply. And this is, or Simple. It says new squeeze me, sensitive skin experts, kind of skin, moisturizing facial wash. Okay. I love these little packages, like the blue and the pink. These are adorable. Okay, so next we have, what do we have? This is by Nexus. It's the New York Salon Care Anti-Frizz Sheets. Well, you know what? Let's just open this bad boy up. Doesn't have a smell. This is what it looks like. This is an anti-frizz sheet. Let's use it because we all see my hair right now. What am I supposed to do? I guess I probably should have read it. Let's read it. Glide sheet over hair to calm static and frizz and smooth frizz. Just gonna make my hair oily because, oh, whoa. It worked, but what am I putting in my hair? Okay, so it worked, but I'm not sure what I'm putting in my hair. Is this just like an oil or a gel to hold it down? I mean, I can feel it on my hands, and it's like oily and almost greasy. You can see my hands are kind of, what the heck is in this? Doesn't say. Okay, well, I'm not sure about that. I mean, it did help, but now my hair is feeling kind of like greasy and gross. I'm not sure about that. Let's pull up the next thing. We always get toothpaste in almost every Target beauty box, but this is a Kids Crest anti-cavity toothpaste. I'm not a child, and I hate flavored toothpaste. I'm a mint person all the way. I cannot use cinnamon, or when I was a kid, I never liked these bubble gum or strawberry or flavored. No, I can't do flavored toothpaste. But we got that. And the next thing we have is by Acure. It says, welcome to skin wellness, radically rejuvenating SPF day cream. SPF 30. It's got turmeric, ferulic acid, and vitamin C facial moisturizer. Okay, so it's a moisturizer. I'm actually using a vitamin C serum. Ooh, and that's a good size. Like, that'll last you quite a while. I'm actually using vitamin C serum, so I'm not sure if I can mix these two, but this doesn't have a smell, but it is safety sealed. I don't know. I don't know if I want to mix this with my vitamin C serum. Let's see. Directions: apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply 80 minutes of swimming after 80 minutes of swimming or sweating. Immediately after towel drying, at least every 2 hours. So it's pretty much a sunscreen but moisturizer at the same. It's pretty much a sunscreen and a moisturizer in one. It says throw some shade, reef safe zinc sun protection with nourishing botanicals to help you thrive. With turmeric, ferulic acid, and vitamin C in your face. Sun. Shake fist at sky. What? I do know though with vitamin C in items you do have to apply sunscreen more, so I don't know how that works with having sunscreen and vitamin C together, because I know vitamin C makes your skin more susceptible to sunburns and you have to be really careful with sun exposure. You do have to apply a lot more sunscreen. I'm not sure how that works. I'm gonna look into this a little more before I actually use this on my face, because I don't want to burn. Okay, and we have two more things, but they go together, and these are the last things in the box. This is a shampoo and conditioner set. This is by Head & Shoulders. It says proven healthy hair and scalp, smooth and silky daily hair and scalp conditioner and shampoo, 24-hour frizz control from root to tip. I mean, that's exactly what I need, but let's smell this. This is probably what I was smelling in the box. Oh yeah, doesn't have a smell, but I'm assuming it's like a flower scent, but it smells really good. I'm excited. I will definitely be bringing this on my trip with me, because who doesn't need shampoo and conditioner? But I've used Head & Shoulders before. It's nice, not anything major. I just love the smell. It smells so good. So for this being a $7 box, this is pretty great. If you guys want this box, I will have a link in the top of the description box down below. But we got a face mask and a micellar water, a shampoo and conditioner set, toothpaste, which we get in every box, sunscreen, and a anti-frizz sheet that kind of made my hair greasy. But that is all. Let me know what you guys thought. Is this worth $7? I definitely think it is, because that was a pretty great box. Like I said, if you guys want to sign up, I will have a link down below in the description box. Every month is different. If you haven't seen any of my previous Target beauty boxes, definitely check them out, because I explain a little more. But every month is different. This month is pretty great. A pretty good month. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.